Welcome along to this quick tutorial to show you how to set up your Smart Video Premium options. Now, whether you've upgraded from Smart Video Plus or you've installed from scratch as a fresh installation, you will need to configure some of the options by default. Now, some of these options you can leave blank, as they say you can, and some of these options you don't need to set up, but some of them are necessary. So your first one down is your website logo and site name. Here you can put an absolute URL to a logo image. Now what that does is changes the H1 tag here and the H2 tag here, and will show a logo image here instead of the default text. Now we leave the default text because of SEO. Obviously we get a H1 tag title and a H2 tag title. And that's good for on-page SEO and the search engine. So we normally leave our WordPress sites with a title rather than a logo. Although it doesn't look as pretty, it's better for your SEO. So that's what that one does there. The first one, put a URL to a logo. If not, leave blank and it will show the default title and description. Second one down now is we need a main video category, a main featured videos category, and a main blogs category URL to be put in here under the header right nav. So this area is here, videos, featured and blog. Now these come as default with the theme, and you must now add a link to those. So if you haven't already got a category set up for these, then you're going to need to get categories set up for that. So we've already got our blog set up, our featured video set up, and our videos category set up. They must be top level, okay? They have to be top level. If you've got lots of other categories at the moment because you upgraded from Smart Video Plus, we suggest that you put all of those as subcategories now under your videos category. So create a category just called videos and then put all your other video categories underneath the top level videos category. So you do need to have a category called blogs, you do need to have a category called featured videos, and you do need to have a category called videos, and they must all be top level categories. You have to do that to get the theme to work. So what we need to do is now we need to add a link to the videos category, the featured category and the blog category. So we go to our categories, and if you go along to the very last link along here that says view, you'll see in the browser at the bottom, you may be able to see that in the video, it tells you the actual link. So right click and copy link location. Let's go back to our options, and for our featured video category we put our link in. This is the direct link to our featured category. Let's go back to our categories and to the video category, view, right click, copy link location, go back to our options and main video category, paste that in. Let's go back to our categories and now to our blog category, along to view, right click, copy link location, back to options and paste in our main blog category. Now before we save these options, let's move down a little bit further, because you are now required to add some more category IDs. Your main video category ID, your main featured category ID, and your main blog post category ID. Now that comes from the same place. It's not a link, it's just the category ID you need now. So roll your mouse over the category, and in the bottom of the browser you will see the ID. So our blogs category is ID 3. Okay, so ID 3. And our videos category is ID 4. And I would say our featured category is ID 5. Okay, now we can go up and save those options. And there we go, Smart Video Premium options saved. Now that saved the links to those categories, and it saved the category IDs for us of our main video category, our featured video category, and our blogs category. Let's go back to the front end of the site and refresh. We can now see that our videos category is now in, and our featured category is in, and our blogs category is in, and these links will now take us to the page. Obviously no content on here yet, and then the featured and then the blog, all in as they should be. Now you can see here that the bookmarklet is showing no icons here. Again, this has got to be configured to work. So if we go down to the using Facebook iShare, here we go. So down to iShare bookmarking setup, and we need to put the URL to our website here, basically, so that bookmarking can work. So we're going to put a title. So title for iShare pop-up, so bookmark site, and then we need a direct link to our WordPress. So copy and paste our web address. iShare URL is just our web address, and our bookmarking title, what a great site. Okay, now we're going to save those settings. Now if we go back to the front end and we refresh, you'll now see that the iShare icons are loading fine, and that this is all set up here now. Look, see, bookmark our site, which was the title we gave it, and this is all ready now for tweeting, liking, and it's ready to go. So that's how you set up that. So as you can see, every single part of your new Smart Video Premium site needs to be configured. So you must go down all your settings here, and you must configure them so that your site works correctly. There are many configurations, i.e. like featured videos on index, yes, how many latest blogs to show in your news ticker, 10, show latest tag cloud on index, show latest blog posts on index, show bookmarks on index, how many featured videos on index, 12, how many videos on your index, 24, your Twitter username, your Facebook fan page. You need a Facebook application ID and secret key to put here. Then you can put your Wibier toolbar code here for your footer for Wibier. Use Facebook on index, use Facebook on main sidebar, use Facebook on post view pages, show Twitter tweets, random video in sidebar. This is a pretty cool one here, the commenting system. Either use WordPress default commenting system or use the Facebook commenting system. Simply click this box here and it will use Facebook commenting across your site rather than WordPress commenting, which is pretty cool. You can only use that though as long as you've got a Facebook application ID and a Facebook secret key in here. You must have those set up. Your Google Analytics, and then of course all your banner advertisements down here. You just paste in your banner code and this will show across the site in all the different banner areas. So as you can see, there's absolutely no templates to edit, there's no HTML to edit. You don't have to open a single file and do any editing at all. Set up your complete Smart Video Premium site just from the settings page here. This area here is an extra menu which allows you to show extra categories across the bottom, and I'll show you where that would be. A new menu would appear here under this main menu, and it would allow you to show extra categories all along here of your choice. So very flexible, the theme, and allows you to do plenty with it. But let me just tell you this. If you make a mistake in this area here, don't worry about it. Just take it out and click Save Changes. Go back to the front end of your site, refresh your page and see if the changes have applied. If you're still not happy, go back to Options, change it. Save Changes and go back to the front end of your site and check again. You're not going to cause any damage and you're not going to create any problems by making a mistake, getting it wrong. Just go back and do it again. Take your time and set your site up in your own time. Now that's basically how you do all your configurations. As I said, the important ones were getting your category links in and then your category IDs here. These are absolutely imperative to make sure your theme works. Everything else is really down to personal choice. And that's about it really. That's how you configure Smart Video Premium. And we're going to show you quickly now how to add videos to Smart Video Premium. Now in Smart Video Plus you would go to Posts, and then under here there would be another link saying add new video. This is no longer available in Smart Video Premium. The cool thing about Smart Video Premium is you can click on add post, put your video title here, put your video description here, then go down. Now you can either put a URL to a video here, or you can upload a thumbnail like so using the brand new thumbnail uploader, or you can fetch a video image. So say your video's on YouTube, just get the URL to the thumbnail, put it in there and fetch. That will then go and grab the thumbnail and add it to your server for you. So great new functionality here with thumbnails. And then put your embed code in here, and then the duration time of your video here. That's it, and then save your post. So everything now to add a video is on the add new post page. There is no separate page to add videos. Everything is here. It's really simple. Video title, video description, thumbnail, video embed code, and the time and duration, and that will then display all your videos for you nicely on your website. So pretty cool way now to add videos there. And that's about it really. That's how you configure the website. That's how you configure your Smart Video Premium options. And there are other videos below there you can watch too if you need any further support. And the only other video that could be left after this one really is how to use Video Swiper, and you'll also find that one below, how to swipe videos automatically. Thanks very much for watching.